Right here. This thing's in the way. Hold on.
You can come a bit closer. Fuck yeah! Oh!
What?
That was a shit!
That wasn't! It was down here! Is it actually filming now? I can never tell.
It's flashing red.
Yeah, okay, good.
Hey everyone, it's Killer Bunny here. So I started playing Airsoft about a year ago, and number one, what a year has it been? But the good parts of 2020 for me were that I actually found Airsoft, and I started this YouTube channel, and it's been an absolute blast doing it with my husband. To be honest, he probably does most of the editing, but you know, I'll get there one day. And it's been really fun sharing my gameplays with you guys and some funny moments. So I wanted to compile a video of all of my favorite moments with some fails, because we all need a good laugh, for you guys to enjoy. And I just want to say thank you so much to all of you guys that have subscribed. It means so much to me that you guys want to see what I have to do in Airsoft. Even though I'm a total beginner, it's been absolutely great sharing the journey with you guys.
Hello. Thanks, man. Come on, give us a round. Stop.
What? There. Go in there. Go in there. Go in there.
Go.
I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Something hit the brim of my hat. I'm gonna call it. I don't like that call, but I'm calling it. You got my shield, but it isn't right. It's my fucking call back. All right, fine.
Darren, did you get hit? I'm scared. I'm scared.
No, I didn't get it. I was in the shield. I can't fix it. I'm too fast.
I'm scared. There's somebody there. Go, 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 go. I'm scared. There's gonna be in there.
So I gotta watch your back. Cover that window. Cover that window. I can't see anything anymore.
I'm just going for it, Darren.
Okay.
There's someone right there. There's a window right there. What the fuck, Darren? Okay, go, Darren.
Ready?
Somebody's coming. Is it our guy? Are you blue? The guy over there is not blue in the corner. A hit. Oh my god, there's so many of them already. What the fuck? What are you doing?
Dude, I think you got something.
I think you got someone too. It came almost right off. Do you want me to just put it in here? Yeah, probably won't be good. Sure, but I don't know what you can do if you really break it though. I think it's. Oh, you know what? It won't fall off. It's stuck to you. Okay, yeah, okay, perfect. Yeah, I can put it in there. Cool. Huh. And then, yeah. Okay, cool. You're gonna hit. I don't know. Do you want me to, so you don't lose the pistol? Okay, so that's enough.
Oh, I can't reach. Oh, I don't know. I just gave up because I can't like. Well, we see them all.
It was like a group of them, and now there's only like 2 of them going.
Might as well go.
Sure. It's like... Did you see that?
Yeah, I did.
They're like push and I fell. Yeah, I'm fine. What? That was so embarrassing. They're like push.
There you go. Okay, now you're good.
So is it on?
Yeah,
What's
wind it.
press? Where's that button? Are you guys?
Is this
Is it on?
That's the featherweight.
shoot? Follow.
That's all it's got.
Let's go, Veronica.
Is it on? It's not shooting BBs, sir.
It will. It's very slippery.
It's not shooting BBs. Oh, it is.
Careful running around this shit.
I don't run, so I'm good.
Yeah. Can you just press fire? Like literally, game with
Yeah. Are you okay? Are you okay? Okay. Right now.
We got shot right over here. I don't know if you want to stand there. They're mean.
Should we just go?
Should we just push all at the same time, like all of us?
Yeah, Leroy fucking Jenkins.
I can go first. I feel like the body shield.
I'm like
no, we can
the
just all push it.
slowest.
Shield.
Leroy fucking Jenkins, boy.
What do you think, Abdul? Can you give me a number crunch real quick?
Yeah, give me a sec. I'm coming up with 32.33, repeating of course, percentage of survival.
Oh, that's a lot better than we usually do.
Alright, thumbs up.
Ready, guys?
Let's do this. Leroy Jenkins!
Oh my god, he just ran in.
Are you guys ready?
I'm like the slowest right. I'm gonna be behind you. I'm just gonna shoot.
Light it up, Veronica.
I'm out now again.
Right here.
This thing's in the way. Hold on.
You can come a bit closer. Oh!
What?
That was a shit.
That wasn't. It was down here.
You can come a bit closer.
It was down here. You got me in the neck.
Boink.
I win. Derek, can I shoot you?
Hey.
Yeah, you can shoot me.
Really? Okay, yeah, hold them.
Why would you aim for your ball?
Oh, that actually hurt. Fuck.
Hey, did you want her?
Can I shoot someone else? But... Come on, Justin, let me shoot you. Okay, but go further back. I want to see if I can reach you. Okay. Well, not too far. I can't aim that far. Soprano, yeah. Cover your neck, your balls. Cover your balls. Did I get you? Is it shooting?
Can I shoot?
No, he's good.
Oh, your gas time.
Are you sure?
Yeah, there's gas now.
Wait. Oh, wait, I'm not gonna do CO2. I'll do Darren's. Darren, can I do yours?
No.
Can I shoot yours? Can I shoot? Wait, let me shoot.
CO2. That's
Can I shoot you, Justin?
I hit his knee.
Oh! No more. Stop hitting him on the head.
I was aiming for your lower stomach.
I hit his leg.
I can see the muzzle touching my face.
At least I hit his knee.
Yeah, you don't get to. Yeah, I would protect yourself.
Hey, can I shoot you, Mateo?
Wait, so okay, just so I know I'm doing it right, I line up those two.
Yeah. You line up those two.
Where did I hit you? I'm aiming for here. Did that hurt?
Wait, don't shoot him, Eric.
Cover your delicates.
Wait.
Thoroughly.
Where was that? Well, I thought I'm shooting up here. I keep going higher. I feel like I'm gonna get your neck.
Wait, Mateo, can I shoot you? Go further.
Can we pull in?
What?
Well, not with that. Not that.
That's cheating. I win.
Okay, wait, no, Kai's on my team, okay?
There we go. Here's the dark side.
Is that like a expensive one?
What about the sides? What do you do with it?
Okay.
Nice. Wiggle. All that wiggle light.
Wait, are you on my team? Go hard. I've never fenced before. What? It is one. Okay. Why is his longer? Everybody in the city, guys, watch Kill House. Somebody watch Kill House, you guys. There was somebody that 2 people came into the city. There's another one coming into the city. Ha! I got another one, Justin. Justin, where are you? I can't be here. It's too scary. I'm out. I'm gonna run. No! What is that? What is that?
The fire's shooting at us!
What in the name of God is going on? You guys, I'm wearing a t-shirt. I don't want to get shot in the arms. It's getting too real now. I'm scared! There he is! There's another one coming on the left! Got those guys. Out. Fuck out of there. Posted on my Instagram, even though I'm gonna be weird. I waited.
Here and there.
We can do it in here when we don't have the...
Yeah.
Hold on, my Face ID doesn't work.
Yeah, I mean, the mask probably has something to do with that. Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you. Very exciting. I'm gonna do photo because sometimes it blurs out. There we go.
Okay.
So we're done now.
Thanks, Jamie and Sasha. I'm Veronica and Darren.
Yeah.
Figure you come out here enough.
4 million movies.
Look, I don't need anything too crazy. I just want to see, like, I want to see how well it blends.
Wait, where are you?
I want to see how well it blends so I can change the paint when I get home.
Okay. I'll do one horizontal and hide you in different areas. You can't see where you are. I think it looks pretty damn good. One of those like, where's Waldo on YouTube? Or
As long as you don't move, you're good, man. Yeah? Thanks.
he's shooting me! Don't shoot me.
Yeah, someone was chasing me.
Who was chasing you?
Green, but you have to know why you're on. Whoa! Whoa!
You said green with no body armor. I took him out. He's out.
I've been here the whole game!
You said that it was the guy with green with no body armor. Take your gun. Raven, I got you a gun. What? I don't know. Is it game? Darren, is it game? Who else is alive? Raven, fuck man, if you kill me.
Veronica, I swear.
You're such a liar! The only reason I haven't shot you is because I can't imagine Darren making both of us, like, making you a terrorist again. And
you or me?
no, it's not. We're done, isn't it?
No, it's not done. I killed him.
Come here. Come here. Raven, Raven, you gotta shoot Rainbow. I think he's there. Justin, you gotta shoot Raven. Rainbow.
Rainbow?
No, Rainbow. I think he's a terrorist.
If you want to, go for it. Up on him, show how it's done.
I want to know where he was when he was there.
Dennis?
Yeah.
Dennis. Oh, you guys, you just ask. You don't have to actually frisk them. Just ask if it's there. We'll be honest.
It has to be.
Yeah, I know, but
I don't know. This guy's been pointing guns at everybody the whole round. I
Has
don't
to be
know.
someone with a camera.
what?
Has to be someone with a camera. Yeah, bro. Gotta go. Gotta go.
Take it off. Where's the knife? Man, I'm checking everybody.
Okay.
Kind of backed up. I don't know. This boy kind of was backing up. We were all goofing up.
Is the store still open, Darren?
The opportune angle.
Oh, it's closed? Okay.
Who killed?
You're gonna keep it open for a bit longer, Darren? He's keeping the shop open for a bit longer.
Oh, he's out of guns.
What? Oh, he's out of guns though. Rainbow, he's out of guns. So you have to kill someone.
Yo, what? Everybody, what the fuck?
What? Someone just died! What? Oh my god! That's the terrorist connection! Just, you know, Raven, I know Dennis is your friend. You just have to shoot him to be safe. I'm so sorry.
He shot him. He shot him.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Who's hiding a fucking knife? Someone. I actually feel relieved not having a gun. It's too much responsibility.
What you doing, Rainbow? Can I offer myself to be searched? I want to offer myself to be searched. I don't know, Justin.
Okay, Rainbow is totally a terrorist and hid the gun. He literally just said he would. Or the knife, the knife.
Whoa.
Oh. What?
What's today? Oh my freaking dog. What?
Okay. Shit, I'm watching Raven's back and Morgan's, and they'll kill me last.
Okay, wait. I have an idea.
You'll kill me last if you're a terrorist.
You have a camera. You have a camera. Everybody, let's run the footage back. Let's see who's who's saying.
Suspect. Ah! too, though. I don't know if that counts.
No, you didn't. I missed.
What?
Oh, shit.
What?
I missed you. It went right under your armpit. I'll take your money. Okay.
Thanks for watching, guys. I am definitely looking forward to 2021 for even more Airsoft. And I want to do a shout out to my team Overwatch 6. It's been an absolute blast playing with you guys over the past year and looking forward to way more games. Please, if you like my videos, like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And please comment down below what type of videos you want me to focus on more in 2021.
It's called Revenge!
From my perspective, you read the corner, I just saw Norvik stick down.
Dude, I saw my shadow, and I was like, fuck. Darren, we have to play another game. We're both dead. I was a terrorist. I can say that. Go tell Darren I want to play another game.